OMG, this is super spontaneous, but I really think I'm about to dye my hair today. Like, I don't know, I just want something different for the new year, 2021. That, because you know 21 is my number. I just feel like that's just a year filled with blessings, and I just want to do something drastic, low-key, to like prepare for it and just to try something new, because I've been wanting to dye my hair, but like, oh, this is so spontaneous. I am so spontaneous, like.
Let me just go in the bush and weep. Let me just go in the bush and weep.
So today I have a little bit to do, but we're just gonna get it done. Me and my partner, we're gonna go to the store, pick up the dyes, and then hop right into it. Let's hope it don't come out crazy. We just came back from the hair store. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna work out, and then we'll get started. Ugh. Okay, y'all, so we took all of the shells out of my hair and the crystals. I'm gonna keep the rest of the lock jewelry in. Whatever happens, happens, because I'm not doing all that. It's just too meticulous, and I feel like, what could really go wrong? Anyway, so this is the bleach that I purchased. What's it called? The Clairol. I've seen it on YouTube. A few folks have used this to bleach their locks, so I was like, you know what? This should be good enough. Yes, so we're gonna mix this with 30 Developer. Hold on, let me find it. I got a few bottles of this, the 30 Developer. So we're gonna mix this with the bleach, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna guesstimate, really winging all of this. Hopefully it comes out good. I really do hope. All right, y'all, so I forgot to get something to mix this with from the hair store. Completely forgot. And something about, I'm pretty sure you can't use metal or something. I don't know. Regardless, I'm gonna just use my finger and hope for the best. Oh, that means you're gonna have to part my hair for me, because I can't touch. Oh my God, this is burning. So make sure you hold it away.
It's burning.
No, it's not. It just, you know,
okay.
Smells like, wow.
Yeah.
What the heck am I putting in my hair? Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. So my hair is now parted. I'm gonna start to actually bleach my hair, but I'm gonna do the shafts of the locks first, and then I'm gonna go back in with the roots. What I've been researching and finding out is that once you do the if you do the roots first, they'll turn much lighter than the rest of your hair. I'm just gonna, I don't know, wing this. But good thing my partner is gonna help me. Oh, all right. All right.
Well, I'm gonna do the opposite corner so we don't get mixed up.
Okay.
Oh, you know what you needed?
What?
Some Vaseline on your...
Oh, yeah, can you? I completely forgot about that. Damn, we need to do that.
Hold on, okay. Just let me get this off of here. Because I brought it.
Yeah, I forgot. Good, you're good. So right now, I'm putting Vaseline on my edges. Y'all, my hair is already lifting.
Literally, so I'm trying to hurry so it's like even. That's so crazy.
What?
Like how quickly.
Shaft complete. As you can see, it's already turning brown. Boom.
Done.
I got it on me. I got it on me. Ooh. Let's just like so like that. And we out. You know? Time to clean up. All right, y'all.
Sorry to this man.
Ew, that's a little dark, but it'll be all right. So finished dyeing my hair. Bleaching my hair. So now we're gonna wash this out, and then I'm gonna condition my hair for 45 minutes, deep condition it, and then we'll get to the actual dyeing process. So I left this in for roughly an hour to 45 minutes. But it got super blonde already, so I'm just like, what's the point in leaving it in if it's already so blonde? Because I'm not trying to have my hair fall out, especially on a whim. No. All right, so we're about to handle that. Okay, y'all, so we put the conditioner, but the regular conditioner in my hair. Then we put some oil in it, and I'm gonna leave this in for 45 minutes. My hair was super dry and brittle, and OMG, like, who am I? This looks crazy, but it's gonna turn out cute, I'm sure. There were some darker spots, and the root did come out a little lighter than everything else, even though I applied the stuff last. And I don't know, maybe it didn't help that I had just worked out before. I don't know, but I'll keep you updated. So we just mixed all of the dye that we're gonna be using for my head. I put a dash of this because my goal is to get like a ginger color, but I'd rather it be a little bit more red than orange. So I only put a little bit in this. When I say a little bit, I really mean a little bit. Like, this is still pretty full. The ginger color is beat the fuck up, though. I used all of this, and then I used most of this Cajun spice. So probably gonna pour the rest of this in here, just so that I have the color that I want. But right now it's giving me more barbecue sauce than anything. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just washed out the conditioner. I also put oil in it too, and I let it sit for 45 minutes. And now we're about to dye this bad boy. The roots came out bright. We're gonna work through it.
It's the journey.
And my hair is already low-key like a ginger-esque color, so hopefully it'll take well, you know. I have my lock jewelry in still. It looks pretty okay. But let's get into it. We also put some conditioner, a little bit of conditioner in here, and a little bit of developer too. Just for the drama. It's like, nah. Just to conditioner, you know, so that my hair gets some type of moisture in it, and then the developer, you know, to lighten it up, certain spots up a little bit if necessary. But this looks like blood. All right, ready? Y'all, I hope this come out looking good. This is real orange. You think this will, are you sure this looks good?
Yeah. It looks great. It looks right. But also you gotta, you know, have fun with it. Cause especially because you're not doing it professionally. But it does look good. And for like a guesstimate of the colors, I feel like this is coming out so well.
What the fuck? I'm giving a little bit of blossom with a little bit of
You definitely are Blossom.
Jean Grey. Just a little bit. Jean, yes.
And
No. Cause why did you answer yourself?
Yes. Blossom. The Powerpuff Girls. I need all of the red to be, like the color, to be on the side part though.
Yeah.
So I'm about to take this out again.
Yeah.
And make sure that shit is.
Okay, if you're Blossom, I get to be Bubbles.
No, you're Buttercup.
I'm both.
No.
Yeah, you're just Blossom. No. But no, look at my hair. I'm Bubbles.
Yeah, you are Bubbles.
And I'm also a Buttercup. You can be Blossom.
Mojo Jojo about to get his ass beat. I bet. Yeah.
And I'll be him.
What the fuck? I look good. I can't wait till I retwist. And I hope it comes out like this. You know?
Like literally the shade. Yeah, I'm interested to see what it's gonna come out like washed out.
Yeah, well, we just gonna put all the dye in it to make sure that it come out as close to this as possible. Okay, y'all, so this the color is looking very good. It looks a lot more orangey than like in this light as opposed to actually looking at it. It's definitely exactly the color that I wanted. And I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour and some change. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna wash it out. Hey y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Very much bright and ginger-esque, and I love it. This is exactly what I wanted. There are some more darker spots, but I'm not stressing about that. I think this was a success for my first time. Thanks to my partner, we knocked this out the park. Now I'm gonna retwist, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's completely finished and done it. Peace.
You ain't really fuck with me way back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking? What's not clicking?
Hey y'all, so this is how the retwist came out, and you know, just the final look of my dyed hair. I absolutely love it. My roots are a little bit lighter, but yeah, still a vibe. I don't know, I feel like my locks are swaying in a way that they weren't before. And I don't know, just different in a whole vibe. So me and my partner were all dressed up just because it's New Year's Eve. It's the end of 2020. And I just feel like that's all the more reason to actually celebrate in the house by ourselves, COVID-free, safely, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a happy New Year's Eve right now and are celebrating the New Year's with family and friends and just loved ones, chosen community, all of that. And I'll see you guys later.